Hello.
Hi.
This is Jocelyn and Sam. We are presenting our news for you today.
Very important.
This is channel 69.
Yes, it's a very important channel too.
A channel to learn, to love, and to find happiness.
For you.
And only for you.
Yeah.
Now let me just fix my pigtails and we'll get started. So, you can get a drink, girl. Okay, so the weather. Let's bring up the weather now. Alright, here's the weather. Weather with Sam and Ram. Sam the Ram. Weather with Sam the Ram. Take it, Sam the Ram.
Well, today at this time, it's my time. The approximate temperature right now is 69. What a coincidence!
69 degrees?
Yeah. Yeah, it's nice outside. And tomorrow it'll be 85 and sunny for you. Only for you with this flower to take with you. Take it over, Jocelyn.
Okay, Sam. Now, she gave me the weather. Today is 69 degrees out. That's just so weird. Okay. Well, tomorrow's supposed to be 85, and it's supposed to be lovely weather for the flowers. You can go out and pick the flowers. You know, 1, 2, 3. 3 vases of flowers.
4.
And you can pick them and put them in your hair. Do you like them in your hair? I like them in my hair.
And if you can't, if you let's say you have a white one, you can just color it with a red marker and make it a rose.
Yes, you can make it a rose.
Or a purple.
See, you can always bring markers with you because markers will always be there for you for your colors.
Get double-sided too because you can get it a light or dark and it'll help you out.
You really can't tell right now, but you know, it's 2 different reds. It really is. Oh, you can tell.
And 2 different purples.
Oh, 2 different purples. Everyone loves purple flowers. These are actually purple.
Yeah.
You just can't really see them. Okay, now let's bring it to news and views by Jocelyn the Coughlin.
Take it away, Jocelyn.
Well, seems to me that there's a twin that found her other twin and found her to be super ugly. Yeah, I'm talking about these 2 girls. Shelly told her mom that she wanted to go find her daughter or her sibling, and she found her. Okay, now on to the next.
We have a very important incoming news.
It's so important. You guys have to be careful.
This is crucial. This is a life and death situation.
It's really scary. This could affect you, your loved ones, and you know, it could affect the people you hate. This just in. Oh my god. Oh my god. Maybe we should close the windows. Samantha, can you close the windows for me, please? There's a moth. This just in. Samantha just killed a moth. Oh my god. She closed the blinds. Now we can see this. The Asian neighbors, actually the Asians, they're coming after your dogs.
And your cat.
So you need to hide your dogs, hide your cats,
And hide your kids.
and hide your kids because you know they're coming.
Everybody.
They're killing everybody. They're killing everybody, you know.
Yeah, so go run and tell that, homeboy.
Home skillets, biscuits.
Word.
So this just in. Jocelyn is eating some applesauce, and Samantha is eating an orange. Now you get to watch us eat our applesauce and orange. Mm. I really like applesauce. Do you like oranges?
Oh, a lot.
Oh. This just in. Jocelyn didn't get any text messages, and she does not have any friends at 11:43 at night.
Neither does Sam.
But that's okay, because you know what? All we need is each other. We have each other. We can go far in life, okay? But we have each other. It's giving to me so much good to me. It's okay. It's when you don't have anyone. It's hard, okay? It's hard.
It's embarrassing.
It's really embarrassing. Like, there's people out there in this world that just have nobody. Nobody. They don't have any cats. They don't have any dogs because first off, the freaking Asians ate them. And second, they can't find anyone, okay? Like, it's can't say, like, people are homeless. We have to feed the homeless, okay? We have to feed them. Because if we don't, they can go extinct. Okay, now back to regular mode. I think I'm hearing a phone call. Hello? Oh my god, this just in. Another cat has been eaten by the Asians.
We must stop them.
We must. Who knows what this will turn to? This could be like another Holocaust. There we go. The Holocaust of dogs and cats getting eaten by the damn Asians. I mean, I'm sorry if any of you guys are Asian out there, and you know I'm kind of a little Asian too. Just joking. I'm sorry if any of you guys are a little Asian out there, but you're eating my cats and my dogs and my bunnies occasionally. Oh yeah, you eat the cats, you eat the bunnies, you eat the fish, you eat the lizards. This just in. A new song has been discovered. Not that one. Not that one. Dee-da-dee-dee-do. This just in. We're going to dance now.
Here we go. That's all there is to it.
This just in. That song is getting really old already. Looks like things only lasted a couple hours for that person. Okay, well, we would like to take this moment to remember all the dogs. Do you hear that? Do you hear that dog? No, the Asians are eating the damn humans. The freaking cannibals. I don't know what's going on here. I really don't. It's something we really need to take care of. I mean, we can't have just people randomly eating dogs, cats, and humans. I mean, it's a serious crisis. First global warming, now this. How bad can it get? I don't know.
We just want to take a moment of silence for the
We
people who
want
died
to take a moment for all the cats.
and the dogs.
And the humans
that passed away due to the Asians.
Oh my god. I don't think I can do this. I've got the tears coming down my face. Can you see this? Got my makeup running. It's just in. It's time to go now. We have to go pray that our dogs will make it through the night without getting eaten. Please, please, keep everyone that has been eaten by the Asians in your prayers. We love you. Goodbye. Let's just put a song on.
Wait. Before we go.
I'll find a song while you talk.
What we said here today, we do not mean any of it because we are friends with the people who are Asian. We are just kidding around. Our Asian neighbors are really creepy though. That's why I'm making fun of them. But no offense to anyone. Okay, moving on.
I think I found an appropriate song. Dear Mr. Jesus, I just had to write to you.
The song is so
Something
sad.
really scared me when I saw it on the news. A story about a little girl beaten black and blue. Jesus, could I take this right to you? You have a good day. Remember, keep everyone in your heart.